look at this. I'm gonna have to make this work because bitch, I ran out of hair, so.
Shorty a little baddie. She my little boy.
Shorty got the fatty.
Hey, bitch, I'm a problem. Nobody solving. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless.
Welcome to my channel, y'all. So can we just do a moment of silence for these neat ass parts? Like, stop playing with me, okay? I literally did I can't talk. Okay, I did my hair without even looking in the mirror, y'all. I was just talking on the phone and just doing what I do, and it came out so good. So I'm gonna just give y'all a big tip on parting. All you gotta do is part your hair over and over, and it's gonna come out neat. I promise. Like, part it once the way you want it to go, and then part over again and probably again, and it'll come out neat. Some people might tell you to put a product down, part it, and then it'll be neat. That'll work too, but a lot of the times if you put a lot of product in your scalp, it's gonna be like real itchy, you know? So what I did was part it over and over until the part got, you know, how I wanted it to look. And then I used this bomb ass product, which is Murray's Edge Wax. Like, y'all, get this. If you like to braid your hair, get this, because this shit is the bomb, okay? It's basically like an edge control, but it's a wax, like it's waxy, okay? So I put that on the base of the parting after I got the square how I wanted it to look, and then I put my rubber bands on, honey, and this is what you got. This is what you get. You know, it's like so simple, but hopefully that helped y'all. All right, y'all, so I just got out the shower, so that's why my hair is up in a bun. I'm excited, okay? A bitch finished her hair. Well, no, I'm not done. I left two out for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to show y'all how to do them. Let me get my hair real quick. Hopefully I got enough hair left. Honestly, this is just hair that turned into trash. So all I need is 2 more pieces, okay? And I could be done. All right, so let's see if I can find 2 pieces. Like I said, this is just leftover hair that I messed up. And I just was like, let me just throw that away. See, look at this. I'm gonna have to make this work because bitch, I ran out of hair. So yeah. Let me go grab my edge wax. Hold on. Ooh, it's hot in here, honey. I need to turn the AC back on. Usually when I'm braiding, I split the braided hair into 3 pieces, but I noticed that this, being that I already have a rubber band on my hair, it works better if I just use, you know, just use it like this, basically. I can't explain it. I'm just gonna have to show y'all, because it is a certain way that you have to braid to hide the rubber band, but I just wrap it around it like that, and then hold it kind of tight. Because if you hold it too loose, well, I don't know, I noticed when I hold it too loose, my rubber band shows. Even though my rubber band is black, I still don't want to be able to feel it or see it. You know what I'm saying? So I make sure I do what needs to be done, okay? So you see how that looks? You can't see it. You can't see the rubber band on either side. Like, you can't see it in the front or the back. So that's lit. That's lit as side. Y'all see my real hair is like not gonna blend with the braided hair. So this edge wax really helped my real hair blend in good. So I'm just braiding the braid down like normal. All right, so I'm done braiding this braid, period. And I'm going on to my last braid, bitch. I'm on my last box braid. I always be like, thank you, Jesus, because bitch, when I do my hair, I'm so lazy. I take so many breaks. So I be like, I'm ready to be done. Time to look for another piece. This is so ghetto, like, hopefully I got another good piece in here. Cause look, it's just trash. Okay, hold on. I think I found some good hair. I did, bitch. I did. Dang, this piece was better than the last piece. I ain't gotta detangle it at all. It's like perfect. Okay. I just put it on like this, and I actually hold it with my index finger and just wrap it as tight. You ain't gotta wrap it too tight, cause girl, if you did your rubber bands like me, bitch, they tight, okay? So you don't have to wrap the hair around it tight, because that's just extra, you know? Just do it enough to hide the rubber band. People pay like $200 for this hairstyle, and I could do it for free to myself and be comfortable at home doing it, huh? Yes. All right, so we are done, bitch. We done, bitch. We done, bitch. We done, bitch. We done. All right. So this is the hair. I need to lay my. Girl, I'm not. Do I really want to get? I'm not gonna get up and get no toothbrush. I'm really not. I'm gonna just. I really don't feel like dipping my hair tonight. I really don't. Sometimes I feel like dipping my hair. Let me stop being a lazy ass bitch and go do it. Do y'all see my hair? It's so cute. These braids are so much fucking cute. Ah, love them.